Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, here we go. We're getting ready. We're about to give away $200 live on our show. More tickets available for that tonight. It starts tonight, and of course, the Virgin Galactic flight starts at midnight tonight. If you want to join us for this historic occasion, it's the first general public flight in history into space. Up to now, we've had the Italian Air Force, but now we've got the general public. Average Joe, me and you. Well, the difference is they've got a bit more money than us. Anyway, apart from that, we're going into space, and we're going into space tonight at midnight. We're going to go live from midnight so we can catch the 24-hour trading. We can catch the news. People in other parts of the world can join us live as things happen. And then as we wake up in the morning, of course, the flight will happen. We'll be live with it. We're not just going to cover the telemetry and the live flights. We're also going to cover the charts, the analytics. We're going to cover the technicals. We're going to cover the fundamentals, the trades, the positions, the stories on the ground. People can chat. People can call in. Last time we presented this event, we had 23,000 people join us through our live stream. More than anyone else during the live stream. We're very, very proud of that. It was very, very exciting. And we're hoping to go one better. This time, Virgin Galactic on their Twitter page says we're giving away some Virgin Galactic t-shirts. Well, we're giving away $200. You can buy yourself 10 t-shirts from Virgin Galactic. All right, fantastic. Join us for that. That's kicking off tonight. The link for that is in the chat if you want to join me. The link is in the chat. I'll give it to you again just so you can see it pop up again. And that is exact as it goes live is the moment that we launch our giveaway. And of course, if you've done our giveaways before, you know that we encourage and we reward those that are loyal and want to get involved, because at midnight tonight, there'll be some opportunities to pick up some tickets that, of course, you might not be able to get later on down the line, because every day you come, there are new benefits and new tickets you can win. So get involved. Check it out from midnight tonight. Fantastic. Now then, my portfolio is up and I'm beating the S&P today. Why is this? Well, a couple of days ago, yesterday in fact, not a couple of days ago, yesterday, I decided to take a profit on Tizro, a 13%. The company is going in a new direction, of course. It's going more into the breweries. It's kind of got tired of waiting for the government. Don't blame them for that. However, it's a different business model now, and we are down now. As predicted, it started to fall down. Now, some of you said, well, you sold too early. Well, technically, I did, of course. I sold at 13%. It went up to 30%. Well, it's dropped back a bit now. In fact, more than that. It's dropped back a bit now, a few more percent. However, I took the profit tax-free on my Roth IRA. I did have a position on my main brokerage position. And what did I do with the money? That's the point. If I just left it there, then you're right. I lost out. Well, this is what I did with the money. I bought Virgin Galactic when it was down. It's now up today, 0.6, and it had a big swing. It was down 3 or 4% yesterday, so I've gained a 4.5% swing there. I also bought Palantir. I added to my position. You can see it on my Roth and my main brokerage account. I'm down at the minute 9% on it. I was down a lot lower than that, and I used the money to buy Palantir Technology. So far, I've lost out on that, but I have got a position now at a lower price, so I'm happy with that. So far, that hasn't paid back, right? Fair play. The S&P is up today. Amazon's up today. I didn't buy any of this, but I did buy Apple when it was down. I used that money to buy Apple here because I felt it was an overreaction to a good earnings, just not quite as good as everybody expected. So I bought some more Apple to increase my position. And as you can see on Apple, now I'm up 7.46%. I was up more because I bought and it lowered the average, so I paid a higher price from where I was before, if that makes sense. So it kind of takes the average down. But nevertheless, I bought some Apple, And you can see we're up today, 0.61. NEE is up. My favorite solar is up today. Good. We've got the dividends 2 weeks away, 2.5 weeks away. Enphase Energy, we were down on this one. We're slowly going up. I didn't buy any more Enphase. Coca-Cola's up. J&J is flat. Kenvue, we're waiting for the split in a couple of days' time. In fact, 7 days' time from now. Chevron is up. I didn't buy any of these, but I did buy Tesla. I did buy Tesla down here yesterday, and you can see we're up. In fact, it was low. I bought it lower than that. I bought it around about here. Anyway, I bought that. It's gone up today. We are still down on this position. This is a new position I've got. My Roth IRA is my kind of back to front, really. That should be my trading account, but it's my long-term position just because I've got more in there right now because I had more money available. I'm up 26% on the main account, even if it's my trading account. I'm trying to build it up here on my brokerage so I can trade out my Roth. That's the idea. So I bought more Tesla with my Tilray, and that's proved to be good so far. Rivian is up. I'm still not in it. McDonald's, I didn't buy any more, but it's up. Google is up. I sold at 50%. We've had a couple of fluctuating days, but we haven't gone down low enough to buy any more yet. Microsoft, I sold at 50%. Very expensive. I can't buy it right now. Walmart, just holding that one market share here on my Roth IRA at least anyway. There we go. You see it there? Okay. Tesco, not doing anything yet. Tilray, so I trimmed off the top. Well, I sold all of it, actually, apart from my market share. Why? Because I need to reassess the business model. It's moving more and more into breweries. I'm not really interested in buying a brewery. I don't care how good it is, to be quite honest. I bought this because I thought we were looking at legalization of medicinal cannabis as a huge potential, and the fact they were the number one in that space, I like that. I like buying companies at number one, like Apple, Tesla. They're all in their own. They're all proprietary. They're all unique. They're all standout companies. Now it's a brewery. Well, there's lots of brewery acquisition companies. Great, but it's not the business model that I bought, so I just need to be aware of it. Robinhood, I held my position. Robinhood is up 19% and 27% overall. We're up 0.36 today, looking good, and very, very happy to hold on to Robinhood. IonQ is up. I have a very small position, just 23 shares, but we're up 14%. Rocket Lab. What did I do with my Tilray? I bought Rocket Lab. Well, 1 day in, 24 hours of owning Rocket Lab, I am up 11%. So, if you work the maths out and you decide from what I sold with Tilray, I'm actually now up on the deal. If you do the calculation, work out how many I sold, how much I made, tax-free, I actually bought Rocket Lab with some of that money, and I actually bought quite a bit of it as well. I actually bought 1,197. Remember, I had none. No, I didn't. I had $400. I had about $400. All right, so I nearly tripled my position, and so there you go. Now I sold my Roth IRA position last night. I also had some Roth position on Rocket Lab with my Tilray, but I took the profit. I sold it and banked the money, and I basically made about $90. There is the cash in there. So if you work it out, I actually made more money by selling my Tilray, even though it popped. Okay, so there you go. I just thought I'd share that with everybody this morning. Sometimes, even if a stock is running, if you take a profit, the business model has changed. You don't know where it's going. It's an unknown quantity. Take profit, buy something else, and look what happened. I am up on the first day, 10.61. Now, I don't know how long that's going to last. I could sell that now and take the profit if I wanted to. But the point is, you can make money by selling even if something carries on. Now, we've got Plug Power tonight. Plug, we are doing this tonight. Who wants to be the very first person to leave a comment on Plug? This is Plug Power. It's running tonight. We are doing the earnings. There it is. If you go to the homepage of the channel, this one moved a little bit. I know it confused a few people. The time, the scheduled time moved, but it's tonight after hours. If you want to be the first person to leave a comment, who's it going to be? There's no likes yet. I will wait to see someone tap the like button and leave a comment. Who's going to be the first? And then I will jump in. You can click notify as well, so you won't miss the earnings tonight. It's going live after the show tonight. Okie dokie. Let's read some of these comments. Hi, says Bill. All the news in one place. Indeed. Good afternoon. All are we green today? All are we? Yeah, we are all green today, I think. Saw a Blur live yesterday. Wowee. Fantastic. Love it. Bit of park life. Love a bit of that. Love it. Hands off me booty. Love it. Be nice to see Virgin Galactic up to $6, wouldn't it, eh? Wouldn't it? There you go. There it is right there. Hopefully stays the studio green. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Take a look at Rocket Lab. Yes, I know. I was just talking about it. There you go. That's where I put my money yesterday from Tilray. Tilray has been in the beverage business as number 9 craft brew in the USA. Now, after this acquisition, they are number 5 in the USA. Correct. They're absolutely correct, Strone. I totally agree with you, but it's not why I invested. I don't see the upswing as much in just buying loads of breweries. And we also need to know as well, it's very important just blindly investing. I looked at the investments they made. They bought some that they made out. It was some great breweries that they bought. Historic, amazing, the best breweries. They were very, very young breweries, very, very new breweries. And if you know anything about breweries, I mean, I'm from England and I have relations in Scotland. We have hundreds of years of history of breweries, hundreds and hundreds of years. And some of their breweries were like 20 years old. In fact, their youngest one, I think, was 2017, and they claimed it as a great thing. So listen, guys, I'm not pro or negative any stock. I'm here to just give you the news for what it is, okay? I said, positive news about Virgin Galactic, and then I said things aren't looking as good, and then I pivoted back because things we learned more on the earnings. The markets change, the markets move, and I often get criticized for pivoting because the markets pivot, the facts pivot, the situation changes, war breaks out, inflation goes up, inflation comes down, people move out of one stock and they move into another, and the very, very people that you regard as heroes for these stocks do it all the time. Richard Branson's in, out, Chamath in, out. The board of Tilray sold off. Simon Irwin said he's never going to sell. There's all kinds of movements within a company and stock, and there's nothing clever about holding a stock or just blindly saying everything's great and we're all going to get rich. That's not what I do. I try to share with you the news. Tilray Brands, potentially, is still a great company. Good management overall. I think they've made some wrong decisions. I think diluting when they were down was a bad idea. I understand why Irwin is deciding to buy into other things. They always were a brewery firm, don't get me wrong, but now they've kind of focused on just becoming a brewery firm. And then slowly kind of like, it doesn't matter whether we sell cannabis at all. Well, to me, that was what made them unique, because that was what made them number one in the space. Now they're entering the world of other breweries, like DraftKings and stuff like that. And I don't see the potential growth as much for that. And buying a bunch of very small, very new breweries, it's like me running outside and going, right, I'm just going to buy the local, penny stocks or, little businesses in the area and acquire every button factory in Dallas and Texas. What does it actually mean? It was a good headline yesterday. Retail investors loved it. They all bought it. It went up, and now they're waking up, and people are realizing, well, okay, the institutions are thinking, well, I thought we were focusing on cannabis. I get it. It's a long-term play, but hey. Anyway, that's my thought. I'm sharing it. That's why I sold it. That's why I took profit, and that's what I did with it. And if you only care about the numbers, not my opinion, the numbers, I actually made more money now by selling it and buying the things that I did. So there we go. Hot enough for you, Martin. It is very, very hot. Yes. Need Hood to come back. It is now. Glad to see YouTube is working again. There it is. Hoping that rocket price remains strong today after the earnings call. If only Galactic could replicate that, wouldn't we all be happier? Yes, we would. What's the plan if a recession comes and all your stocks drop by 30%? It seems all you can do is hold or trade out of risk for low risk, but they would have already dropped more. Yes, indeed. But if the fundamentals are good and you have cash coming in, you can just buy those, lower those averages. And remember, I've got plenty of money in defensive stocks which I can use as a source of funds. I've got McDonald's just sitting there, $2,000. That isn't going down. My J&J just keeps going up. I've got $3,500 there. There's plenty of money. Plus, these pay dividends. These are all defensive. Coca-Cola, pretty much inflationary proof, pretty much recession proof. When we get recession, people are still going to buy a Coke. They're still going to go to McDonald's. In fact, they'll probably buy more McDonald's and more Coke. So these are going to protect me. And if I decide that my high-risk stocks have dropped, and now we've got Rocket Labs or Palantir or Virgin Galactic or Tilray for that matter, down at some silly prices, I can sell some Coca-Cola, sell some J&J and clean up. So, there's that to think about. Just saying that they've been in the brewing business already, hence Tilray Brands. Indeed, I always talk about it on the show that it's Tilray Brands, not a cannabis firm. I've always said that. Hence Tilray Brands. They are still number one in cannabis. They are still number one. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. They are number one in that sector. I totally agree with you, Strone. I'm just simply saying, financially, just on a matter of numbers, I was right to sell it. If I'd waited to the 30%, yes, I would have got more money. Absolutely. I would have doubled my profit, but then it would have been too late for me to buy the things that I did. They would have all been up. So overall, I'm happy. Overall, financially, monetarily, purely on numbers, I made more money. So at the end of the day, isn't that why we invest in the first place? All right. Bought 50 shares of Rocket Lab right before the closing yesterday and up $30. Nice one. Very, very good indeed. All right. Excellent. Time for a cup of tea. Now then, has anybody clicked on the plug earnings? Yes, we have our first like. Sensei was there. Henrik was there. Hi all, I'm ready. All right, so I said, go and be the first person to join us for plug. So we're going to cover the plug earnings tonight. We're doing this for our guest, our member actually, Henrik. Henrik in Denmark got me onto this stock. Said, would you cover it? He's a member of our channel, and as a member of my channel, I review stocks for you, answer all your questions, do videos for you, whatever. So we're doing plug power tonight for Henrik from Denmark. There we go. So let me give it a like as well. There we go. And tap the like button, be the first person there. But also tonight, we are doing this. I'm very excited about this because this is the space launch tonight. It goes live at midnight tonight. We're going to have 24-hour stream. We're going to have people phoning in. We're going to have, last time we had 23,000. There's the link. Go and be the first person to leave a comment. We've got 10 likes on it already. There's already 2 people actually waiting in the stream. It starts at midnight. We had 23,000 last time. I'm very excited about it. to celebrate it, we're going to give you $200 in cash, chances to win $200 in cash. And it's a big, big night. We're going to go live from midnight. So all join it from midnight. Get your device. Some in the UK, it'll be 6 a.m. In the US, it'll be 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock in the morning. Get your device, plug it in, leave it on overnight. Be part of the 24-hour historic stream. It's the first public, general public flight with Virgin Galactic. Very, very exciting indeed. So you want to join us for that, right? A little bit of a history tonight happening, and we want everyone there live. And the reason why we're going live so early is that there'll be special events throughout the night where you can win win tickets for the $200 giveaway, plus 24-hour chat. And as we have 24-hour trading, there'll be stuff going on which you want to be part of, right? You want to be part of. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's read some of these questions. If the earnings call tonight is bad, can we call it a butt plug? That's very good. Only 8 members panel. Only 8 members panel like the drone shows. I'm not sure what panel means. What does that mean? Open 8 members panel like the drone shows. I don't understand what open 8. Is it only 8 members? But what does panel mean? I'm not sure what that means, Bill. Do you want to write that again? I'll answer your question. I didn't understand it. All right, let's do a bit of housework because we're getting ready for a big night tonight. I'm very excited. Okay, so let's do a bit of housework. Let's get the funky music. Here it comes. All right, let's do it. Now, people, don't just sit there. Get involved. Let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. I don't care whether you like my stream or not. What I do like is building a family of engaged people around the world. We have 42 watching right now. If you like the stream and you want to see more of it, tap the like button. Maybe we can get up to 25 likes. If you don't like the stream, you're not interested in my show, you don't want to see it, that's absolutely fine too. Then all you got to do is click the down like button and you won't see any more of my streams. All right, so it's up to you. I would love you to like it if you enjoy it, but if not, please tap the down like. Do something, don't just do nothing. All right, get involved. Hang on a minute, I just noticed something. There we go. Just noticed my whoops a daisy, let me get rid of that timer. Oops, got confused there for a minute. Right, did we get 22? There you go. I had to go and reset the camera at the back of the studio. It just changed. Anyway, thank you ever so much for all of you that did that. What's up, Martin? Maximilian, here he is. Well, we've been talking about you. People have been talking about you. I got margin called yesterday. Oh dear. Did you? Or you having a laugh? I never know with you, Maximilian. You got margin called yesterday. What on? Are you sure? I'm not 100% sure because I think Maximilian is 15 years old. I don't think he can even trade. So Maximilian says a lot of things. Remember he was going buy, Virgin Galactic's going to $1 million and it never happened and it went down and we bought it when it went down. So I don't know what Max always says. We've been here before, so I'm not going to bite into that one. He's not one of our members. He's not verified. I think he's 15 years of age. Hence why he's not verified. But anyway, we shall see. Anyone can join his panel. Open 8 members panel like the drone shows. Open Paul Murray drones at 9 o'clock. Look at him. Well, hey Bill, we can't really go and watch a drone show at 9 o'clock. We're all here watching this show. Anyway, Bill, We can't. I'm not going to go and watch a drone show. I'm a little busy doing this one. But anyway, good luck to you, Bill. Anyway, I love that. Bill makes me smile. He's coming on the show going, hey, everybody, come and join me. Paul Murray's doing a drone show. We're going to go and watch that instead. This is one of my members. Oh, Bill, you make me laugh. What's up, Martin? Says, has Charlie Brown and Snoop logo? Brilliant. Well, I still can't watch it, Bill. I'm in the middle of doing a show. Anyway, so if anybody is sick and tired of my show and you want to go and join Bill, he's going to go and watch a drone show. Help yourself. Fill your boots. Max, are we rich with Virgin already? Max, well, we're doing better today. Anyway, look, he's promoting it again. Anyone can join his, why am I promoting some guy on YouTube? Anyone can go and join his panel. There you go. Anyone. There you go, Bill. You make me laugh. Where do you see Rocket Lab going from here? I liked it. And the reason why I liked it is it's more important what they say at the end of the call. It's not what the numbers say at the beginning of the call. And what I liked is, looks like next year we're going to have 2 flights a month and we're going to head towards a 30% margin, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. That's better than what Tesla are doing on their cars, which is already by far the best margin in the world. So Rocket Lab's heading towards a 30% margin. Efficiency is what this company's all about. Did you hear how they acquired all Virgin Orbit stuff? And they walked into the factory and they said, we've got all this Virgin Orbit stuff and it's everywhere. And you can see how much money they spent. And we acquired it for whatever it was, like 77 million or whatever it was. It was a fraction of the price. They said it was really good for us. So I thought that was, I thought that's great. I mean, I paid for that. I'm glad you enjoyed that. But yeah. That was what happened to Virgin Orbit. Anyway, Rocket Lab doing good today. I'm up 10%. I bought it from my profits of Tilray, and I'm very happy. Anyway, it will triple after the flight. Well, we shall see, says Niels. I know. I look to see how it's done for what... I know. Look to see how it's done for 1 minute. Bill, Bill, you are unbelievable. You know I'm watching the show. You know I'm doing this show, right? But you say, yeah, I know that, but I still need you to go and watch it for a minute. So this is what Bill wants us to do, right? Stop watching my show right now. He's got a mate who's got a drone. He's got a drone video, and he wants everyone to go and watch it. So if anybody wants to go and watch Bill's mate's drone video now live, you can join the panel, and he's invited me to join it. I'm a little bit busy, Bill. I think it'd be great to go and see it, but I'm presenting the show here, so I'll probably pass on that. But everybody else could go and watch it if they want. I don't mind. I think it's bloody funny, though, Bill. You can't ask. You're telling everybody to go and watch it. Use this way tonight. He said, use this way. I'm not sure what that means. Hopefully triple tomorrow or the next day. Good luck, Max. I see Tilray going to 7 to 10 by the end of the year. I hope so, Mohammed. I'm just concerned that the business model has completely changed. And I took flat yesterday for taking a profit on it. But I bought Rocket Labs and I'm actually up more money by doing so. Now, Mohammed... Several people wanted to know, they were unsure. You said that you made $90,000 yesterday. MSK invited you to call in because he said, I can't see how Mohammed has made $90,000. He said he might be up. The stock has moved up $90,000, but he can't be in profit of $90,000 because you bought a lot higher, right? So we wanted to understand that, and we were inviting you to call in to be on the show and explain it, because MSK was like, I don't understand. He can't have made 90,000 profit. The stock might have gone up $90,000 from where it was, depending on how many shares you own, but you can't have made 90 grand profit. And so I don't know. I will ask him. So I'm asking you, if you want to call into the show and be part of it, please feel free. The balance sheet doesn't lie. Space to the moon, says Niels. You with 8 members tonight. Light Hollywood squares, says Bill. I have to say, folks, maybe I'm daft. Maybe I am. But I don't know what Bill's saying to me. I've no idea. Does anyone know what he's saying to me? I don't know. He's sitting there thinking I'm having a laugh with you. I feel bad about my comments. I feel bad about my comments. I booked a week off work and got bored. I apologize. I like watching your stream Sataye, what did you say yesterday? To be honest with you, I forget all the negative. If it was anything negative, I forget. To be perfectly honest, I just focus on the positive. But just no hard feelings at all. But just for understanding and clarification, what did you say yesterday? And please feel confident and free to repeat it. I just want to know what you said. But it doesn't matter. I'm perfectly fine. You're here today, whatever, at the end of the day. People always criticize me. As I grow, I get more, we make more money, we get more subscribers, we get bigger, you get more criticism. It's just part of it. It's not a problem. I get lots of offensive, very abusive comments and stuff like that. People join fan clubs and never sell a stock, think you should own it forever. I'm here just to bring the news, the facts, the information. I'm not promoting one stock or another. I'm just giving you every angle so you can have the information. We've always said this isn't a rah-rah channel. There are YouTubers who make rah-rah channels where, BitBoy does it, Cryptos R Us does it, Meet Kevin does it, Graham Stepan does it. They tell you, they promote a stock, they're all fully behind it. The FTX scandal, they all took money to promote that. There's loads of stuff. I never do any of that sort of stuff. I just tell you how it is. And I've done my numbers and calculations, and I made more money by selling Tilray and buying Rocket Labs and Virgin and Tesla. Palantir hasn't proved profitable yet, but I've got a good position in it. And at the end of the day, you need to understand the stock, and the stock has changed. So fundamentally, it's a different position. But Satara, whatever you said, I was just being a pest. Nothing. That doesn't matter. Hey, it doesn't matter. I feel a wonderful day when people say sorry for something. It's absolutely wonderful that we can all, because I apologize all the time. I upset people all the time, mate. Don't worry about it. I feel bad about my comments. I booked a week off and got bored. I apologize. I like watching your stream. You're very welcome. It's lovely to have you back and lovely to hear from you. Martin, you should load up, man. You can so when you can right now, as it's cheap. Virgin Galactic is not cheap. It's just the price it is. It's actually worth less than it is right now. So your valuation of cheap, what does that mean? Because it's $3, this magical number out of the air, $3, the price of a McDonald's or thereabouts. You think that's cheap because it's $3? No, it's cheap when it's undervalued. A stock is cheap when the stock price is less than the value of the company, and it ain't. So it ain't cheap. It just is what it is. Hi, Brickmark. Good morning, our friend from Taiwan. Mohammed, I am not in profit yet. To be in profit, Tilray needs to be at 7. After that makes sense. Okay, great. Mohammed, thank you for explaining. If MSK comes on, I'll explain to him. That makes sense. The stock is up 90,000. That makes sense. That makes sense. So thank you for clarifying that. I will make sure that we've got that information. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste that. And when MSK comes in, because we always want to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV, so everyone knows the facts. So there you go. Tilray, Mohammed, Tilray. Okay. When MSK comes in, I will show him that comment. Brilliant. Louis Campion, hello. I was just upset. I was just being a pest, nothing personal. No worries. You have a Virgin Galactic song, though. I do. I have a Virgin Galactic song. Yeah, I do. You're damn right I have a Virgin Galactic song. I need more end phase. I need more end phase. Shall we have a look? Let's go through it. All right. So the green line is me. The blue line is the S&P, the market. I'm beating the market again today, which is nice, right? Which is nice. Virgin Galactic is up today, 0.58. We've got the flight. Let's see now how many people. Plug. We've got 6 likes now. We're doing plug tonight. If you want to join us, let me give you the plug invitation. There is plug. Go there, like it, get ready. That's after hours tonight. If you want to join us for the Virgin Galactic flight tonight, goes live from midnight. We hope you'll all join us because it's going to be a 24-hour stream, live phone-ins, $200 cash giveaway opportunity to win some free tickets for that. Starts tonight as this goes live, and there's going to be information throughout the night. Get your devices, plug them in, leave them running throughout the night. We want to see 23,000 people in the stream by the morning. Last time we did it, I want to see if we can beat that. That we got more information, better stuff coming up. So join us for that tonight. Goes live at midnight. Very exciting. Then phase end phase wants you. End phase does want you. I'm still down 17% on it. I kept buying. I've stopped buying now because I'm in danger of dramatically unbalancing my portfolio, and that's not good. $3 for a McDonald's cheeseburger and a small drink, or maybe a kid's meal. I know. You get my point, though, Britmark, right? You get my point, though. Use it with Sensei, everyone. Use it with Sensei, everyone. Up to 8 people. You on top, left all talking together. Yeah, the trouble is, though, Bill, I can't join in his stream at 9 o'clock this morning because I'm a bit busy doing this show. I mean, I'd love to join your mate's panel on his panel and sit there and have a chat about drones. Thing is, though, Bill, I you're the drone expert, mate. I mean, you're the one who knows all about drones. I mean, you're the man. I'm the guy who sold a drone. I'm not really, I'm not really the one to talk about it, so I will. Plus, I'm doing this show, which is a little bit inconvenient at the time, isn't it? Anyway, let's go through it. Let's look at my positions this morning. Where are we? Let's have a look. There we go. There you go. So that's my main account. That's my Roth IRA. 56,353. 56,353. Looking good, right? 58,000, though, is where we want to get back to. We want to get back to 58,000, though. Come on. That's where I want to see 60,000. That's what I want to see. That's always been the number that has lured me. Anyway, remember, I'm still only putting $4 a week into my portfolio. All of this started at $5,000. Since January, all I put in is $4 a week. That's it. That's all I put in. It's all I can afford right now. And I've paid my computer off. So hopefully I'll be able to add a bit more. But right now, it's just $4 a week. Right now. He's saying to make an 8-person panel with you and Sensei so you and your members can discuss. No, I get it. I get it. But he wants me to do it in the middle of my show. I mean, it's like, oh, I see. On this show. No, Phantom Pizza. He's talking about a drone show. They have a phone in. Why are we talking about this drone show? I kind of got to focus on my own show. What's going on here? Now, Bill watches a drone show and they have a panel and they all talk about drones. And he says, why don't we phone in? Anyway. He's saying to make an 8-person panel with you and Sensei so you and your members a Phantom Pizza. The phone line to this show is open all the time with our members. Our members can call into this channel anytime they want. Anytime they want. We're not just now and again or at 9 o'clock. We're all the time. If you're a member, you can call in at any point. Anyone can call in. The broadcast lounge is open right now. Look, here it is. Any member can call in right now and be there on that screen. I don't know why I put my hand out. It's like I'm putting my hand out over there. You can't see it. But I can have 100 people phone in. Anyone can call in. If they're a member on Discord, you can call in, be live to our show. Anyone can. I do it all the time. I've always done it. Anyway. Thank you for explaining Phantom Pizza. Best YouTube channel in the world. He was saying to look at a drone show so you could see what he was talking about. Oh, I get it. He was using it as an example. You should do, I think. Yeah, we do. We do. I've had it open forever. Anyone can call in. And that's how we have had all these people call in. All these people have phoned in like this.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh. Thank you for your show and info.
Love it.
Usagi Mitsui, thank you for your show and info. Love it. Thank you very much. Does anyone know what is that? 300 yen, 320 yen. Thank you. Is that yen? Thank you ever so much indeed, Usagi Mitsu. Wonderful, Usagi. Thank you very much. That's very, very cool. Why don't you become a member of our family? We got 38 countries, and you could be our 39th country if we don't have your country. I don't know if we do. Anyway, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. The broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. It's always been there. It's always been available for anyone. Bill can call in. Hey, Bill, why don't you call in? Why doesn't Bill call in? Anyway, these are some more people that have called into my show.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Sensei, yeah, but he means a panel. Well, yeah, if you're calling at the same time, we'll have a panel. Yeah, but he means a panel, not something when people call in for a bit and you kick them off. Yeah, kick him off. More like a panel, I think he means. Yeah, you can call. If 10 people call at the same time, guess what? We'll have a bloody panel. What are you guys on about this morning? You all a bit... What's going on here this morning? I don't know what's going on.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNV Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Phantom 10 people can call in, but they aren't going to unless you specifically organise it to happen at a certain time. That's what Bill wants, and I think it could be a good idea. All right, I tell you what then. Why don't we have once a week? Okay, all right, I'll do this. Once a week on a certain day, we'll have members call in to discuss stocks. How about that? So let's pick a day. Let's say Wednesday, midweek. Shall we say Wednesday? Oh, no, let's be more specific. Let's say Friday. And in the opening bell, Friday in the opening bell at 9 o'clock. Fridays, 9 o'clock, phone in. You can call in and discuss the stocks of the week, what you've done, how you've done, what's been up, what's been down for you, what was a good idea, what you're looking at for next week. And then I will record that and put that out as a video every Friday at 9 a.m. Central, which is 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is 45 minutes from now. From wherever you are in the world right now, 45 minutes from now, a Friday feature. You can all call in. Okay, we'll have everybody on the phone. We'll discuss what you've done this week. You can share your screens. You can talk about your favorite stocks, what you're looking at for next week, and we'll put it out as a segment. All right, how about that? So let's have a vote on it. Shall we do that? So there you go. Anyone can phone in. Anyone can be part of it. And, well, I say anyone, it's members only. That way we don't get idiots phoning in. All right. We don't want to open it up to all the crazy people, right? So anyway, let's have a vote on it. Would you call in a new feature? So here we go. Start a new poll. Would you, this is only for the people who want to be involved in it. Would you like to be on a new feature? Call in to the show Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. And we'll do a weekly thing. Now, only go yes if you are going on screen with the members. Absolutely. On screen with the members. So yes or no. If you would call in, now we need at least two of you. So it's me and two others. So there's a discussion, at least two. All right. Okay. There we go. So would you like to be on a new feature, call into the show on Fridays? Let's do it every Friday. On Fridays, 9 a.m. Central, which is 10 a.m. Eastern, which whatever time it is in your country, it's 45 minutes from now. Okay. Let's see if everybody would like to do that. And there you go. Ask the community. There you go. On screen with members. There you go. Let's see who can do that. We can make a feature. Oh, we got one vote. We got one person already wants to do it. There we go. So we probably need three people. At least two, because me and then two others. Oh, we got two. I bet that's Sensei and Bill, right? Right. Okay. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're beating the market. We're looking good. We're dropping back a little bit. Let's see where we go on the bell. Virgin Galactic. The flight starts tonight. I should have put just yes and only vote if you want to, if you do it. Because now I've got to work out how many said yes. Right? I just realized that. I don't want to vote. I don't want to vote. I just want to know how many would do it. That's really what I should have said. That's what I should have said. I should have said just yes. Okay. That's what I should have said, folks. It's a bit pointless having a no, because that doesn't, I mean, I've got to work out the percentages, which I could do, of course, but you know. Right. Let me just end that poll a minute. Let me end the poll. I'll just do a yes. All I want is a yes. Okay, start a poll. I just want a yes. I don't need a no. Would you like to be on a new feature to call into the show on Fridays, 9 a.m. Eastern time? All I want is a yes or don't reply. Does that make sense? If you want to be on it, you go yes. If you don't, just don't reply. Okay? How many people? It's done a no again. Hang on, folks. Hang on, it's doing it wrong. Hang on. I beg your pardon. It's not doing it right. It's adding a no by default. Maybe it has to have a no. Yeah, look. It does. It has to have a no. It doesn't give you... Yeah, it doesn't give you no. I got to do it this way. Sorry, folks. It won't let me. It won't let me do it. It has to have a no, which is a shame, isn't it? I was like, I don't want to know, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay. We can still work it out. There you go. Let's try that. We'll try again. We'll try again. On screen. Mike says he might try it. 6 people have said yes. 60%, 10 people. Right, okay. Let's try again. Yeah, see, it does a no, unfortunately. I should have just said only vote if you want to call in. Just don't vote no. But anyway, doesn't matter. We'll still work it out. Palantir, down 1.3. Gold, 8 minutes to go. The S&P, Amazon, Apple. So this is on Fridays. We'll do the first one this Friday if it's popular. Okay. Well, so we got at least 5. Look, at least 5. Yeah, guys, just don't vote on it if you don't want to do it. Just so it's. I just want to know how many yeses. That's all. I don't want to know how many people don't want to do it. I just want to know how many people will do it. So just don't vote. Don't vote if it's a no. It makes it easier. Don't vote if it's a no. I just want to know who would call in on a Friday. And so on. So anyway. All right. Wow, this is really good. This is really good. So that looks like we've got 8 of you. Wow, this is going to be a greater feature then. So we'll do it. That's enough. I mean, we've got enough. So what we're going to do, we're going to trial it. On Fridays, you can call in to the show. You can be live on the show. It'll happen every Friday if it's a success and popular and everyone likes it. If it's not, I throw it in the bin, right? But if it's good, I'll do it. And we'll do it on Fridays. Tilray Brands is coming back up again, folks. Let me have a look at it. Tilray Brands is popping up. There you go. Look at that. It's gone over 3 again. This is good. Let's see where it goes from here. Yeah, can you do yes and yes? That would have been a good idea. Yes and yes. It doesn't matter. All we wanted to do was find out if anybody would call in on a Friday, a regular feature, and I just wanted to find out if we'd have some people to do it, but we do. It seems like we got 10, 11. Wow, it's going to be packed. Yeah, brilliant. I've got Louis Campion doing the maths for me. Thanks, Louis. I love it. Right, 6 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's welcome our guests this morning on Rumble. We've got our guests watching us on Rumble this morning. Now, did you all see yesterday? Did you all see the video about if we have a problem with YouTube? We have backup streams. We have backup streams. Did you all see it yesterday? I put it out to show you. So here is where we are on Rumble right now. So if you just pop into Rumble right now and just become a follower, there's Rumble right now. That's where I am right now on Rumble. Become a follower, and then you've got that backup stream. Okay. Whose idea was this? Phantom Pizza, wasn't it? This was Phantom Pizza's idea. All right. So thank you. It looks very popular. Okay, we can end the poll because we've got plenty of people. That's brilliant. I mean, that's absolutely brilliant. Yeah. We've got about 10 people would do it. That's great. That's absolutely great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plan on that for Friday. So this is what we'll do. On Friday, half an hour from now, so you know what time it is, we will have a panel live phone-in. You can share your information. You can share a screen. You can share your stocks. You can talk. You need to be on camera. All right. This is a phone-in. This is a video call-in. This isn't just this is a video call-in, and we'll do it on Fridays, and we'll make a segment, and we'll record it, and we'll put it out as its own video. And the topic will be what you've bought during the week, what's been good for you, what's not been so good, and what you're looking at next week, where you see the stocks going next week. So it's basically a look back on the week for you. Are you up? Are you down? What did you have success in? And then you can then talk about what's coming up next week. Now it will be on Discord, so it's for members only. We don't want random people calling in, because you can imagine if we allowed anyone to call in, you'd get all sorts of crazy people call in. It's members only. You need to be a member. We upgrade you on Discord, so you call in via the Discord lounge, the broadcast lounge that everybody uses. And this is what the Discord lounge looks like right now. This is where it is, right there. Okay, so you will be on these cameras here with me. All right? Brilliant. Okie dokie. So it'll be interesting to see that on Friday. So on Friday, we'll do it. So between now and Friday, get yourself in the broadcast lounge. You can just go in there now to test it. I won't bring you on unless you want to come on, of course. But here's the Discord link. It's members only. If you are on Discord but you've not been upgraded, let me know in the chat and I'll upgrade you. So only YouTube members will be able to call in. Okay. 2 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic coming up. PLTR going back down. Down 9% now. I bought some of that yesterday. Gold. S&P. Amazon. Apple. NEE. Enphase. Coca-Cola. J&J. Kenvue. Coming up to the minute. CVX. Tesla, Rivian, McDonald's. Rivian was a good earnings yesterday, or at least moving in the right direction at least. Not profitable yet, but doing better than our dear friends over there at Lucid. Tilray is going up. Coming up to the minute. Let's get ready to ring the Sensei bell. Robinhood going down. IonQ. Rocket Labs going up. This is where I put my money from... Tilray. I took it out of Tilray and put it in there. Plug going down. We've got the earnings tonight. Fun. Faraday. Rio. Bitcoin. Here we go. Minute to go. XRP up nearly 3% today. This is the earnings tonight. This is the flight. Hopefully you'll join us for that. Okay, what should we keep our eye on? Virgin Galactic and Tilray. Let's get ready to ring the bell. Bell in hand. 20 seconds to go. Tilray is moving. Let's get ready. Here we go. 15 seconds to go. We'll look at Tilray and we will look at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the bell has gone. Okay, you can sponsor the bell for $10 a day to promote your business if you want to sponsor the bell for the day. Tilray Brands popped up and it's going straight back down again. My portfolio is going up very, very quickly. Look at that, it's going up quickly. Virgin Galactic is up 3%. Whoa. Virgin Galactic is pumping this morning. Let's see where she goes. Let's have a look. Palantir is going down. Palantir is now going down, but my overall portfolio is going up. Gold is coming back up. Amazon going down. Amazon's going down. S&P is going down. Apple is going down. NEE is going down. Enphase is going up. Coca-Cola going down. J&J backwards and forwards going back up again. Kenvue going down. CVX up. Tesla just falling back a bit. Rivian, McDonald's. Look at all these stocks now moving. Microsoft is up but just pulling back. Walmart up but pulling back. Tesco. Tilray is popped up this morning and sold straight back off again. I don't like when a stock does that. It shows that people are trying to get out of it. I don't like that. It's a big worry there. Mo Guzman, the bell, good. Bell. Ring. Ding, says Neil. Says Max. Good afternoon, says Crag. Welcome, everybody. And Tilray, there it goes. I'm not in it right now. I took my profits and I bought Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is also up, but pulling back a little bit. We are just 1 minute into the bell. Things are starting to move. The overall portfolio is up. I am in green. The S&P is in blue. I am beating the market again this morning. Virgin Galactic is up 358, 360, 375, 390. Virgin Galactic, the flight starts tonight. We're going to be live from midnight tonight covering the flight. We are moving up 3.61. Let me go into my Roth IRA position. I am up 5%. Very small position, but we will set a position here to sell this throughout the day to make some money on this, to buy it back again. This was only a scalp position, primarily just to have some fun with. My main position is the Roth, so let's get ready to rumble. Here we go. Let's, on my Roth IRA, let's go to space right now. What we want to do is set ourselves a stop trail loss. So we want to just to sell this position on my Roth IRA. So we're going to do a sell. And we are going to do a trailing stop order, and we're going to do we are up 6%. We shall do, what shall we do now? We've got a 6%. We want to make, 6%. I'll put a 2% stop loss in there. 2% stop loss. So it will sell. Initial will be 351, 353. I bought it 341. So we'll put a 2% stop loss in there. So we'll see how far it runs. We're up 4.4. So at the most, I'm going to make 4% profit on it. That's just my trailing position. This was never intended to be a long-term position. Okay, and then we can do it again. Here we go. So we're going to continue that. 2%. Let's see how far it goes. Continue today, and just the 40 shares. It's just a simple little scalp trade to make myself a bit of money. Not much. I wonder if I'll change that and just do a 1%. It's getting a bit weak now. It's starting to slow down. I'm up 5.5. It'll keep me in the game longer. 5. Well, it's not going to make much money anyway, unless it tripled and quadrupled, but it's not going to do that. The idea was just to make a few bucks and then to buy it back, just for a bit of fun, to put some cash in to do it again. I'm holding my long-term position, so no one get excited. The fact, XRP trade post on Discord doing very well. Always take profits if you get nervous. 50% up, says Sensei Crypto. Okay, I'm just deciding whether I want to go 2% or... Yeah, I'm going to go 2%. So right now, it'll give me a 3.5% profit. Okay. 357 review, 2%, 139. That will go at okay, we'll do that. We'll put that there. Let's see. Oh, it's given up straight away by the looks of things. No. Okay. Just going to take some profit and do it again. I'm going to keep my main position just so everyone knows I'm not selling out of Virgin Galactic. That would be crazy, right? There we go. It's dipping back again. This is my main brokerage position. I'm keeping this, which is 765 shares. All we're doing is taking the Roth IRA and just banking the money. That's all we're doing. Back to Tilray. Let's look at Tilray. Yep, Tilray is doing exactly what I said it would do. Some of you bought it today, thought it was, but you bought it on the pump. FOMO came into some of you. I sold out and I took a 13% profit. There she goes. Now I can use my profit from Virgin Galactic in a second to buy it back on the way down. So it's quite simple, really. You buy when things go down, you sell when they go up. That's all you have to do. Right, so what we're looking now is to see Tilray fall all the way back down to 224, which is my average, and buy it all over again with the profits I've made from everywhere else. Okay, and I will do it, but not as much as before because I'm not that interested in the brewery business as much as I was with a cannabis business. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, has it sold that position yet? It's just selling off, just about to sell. I'm going to make 3% profit on it. On my Roth, just to be clear, just my Roth. I'm only selling for tax-free. I want to make money without paying any taxes, right? I'm holding my long-term position, and I'm up, you can see, here, $2,600. There we go. It's got to be selling now, surely. It's going all the way back down again. There we go. Got to sell now, surely. The stop loss is at, it will sell at 350. There we go. It will sell at 350. Another 2 cents. And it's got to go now. It's right on the button. Will it sell? Will it sell? Virgin Galactic, is it going to sell? Only going to sell my Roth position. I'm making 2.5% profit. That's all. It's only a couple of bucks. It's one free share. It's nothing. It's just a bit of cash to put in the bank because I anticipated a pop today and then a sell off and then we'll do it again later. But we're holding a long-term position. That's completely different. It hasn't sold yet. You never know. It might go up from here. It's exciting. It's right on the button. It's perfect. A 2% stop trail loss there. Let's read the comments. Let's see who's here now. XRP. Sensei was talking about XRP. Yep, up 2.76. Very nice indeed. Let's look at the crypto bubbles. See what they're doing. You can see what's moving here today. Pepe is up 13%. Link is up 5%. APT 17%. The biggest losers is XDC down 9.5%. Okay, we're trying to just see if we can see XRP on the chart there somewhere. I don't quite see it, but I'm sure someone's going to go, it's right in front of your face. Doesn't matter. I'm going to give it another 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I didn't see it. Okay, fair enough. It doesn't matter. We're up anyway. Back to here. XRP, Virgin Galactic is about to sell at 350. I'm holding my long-term position. I'm just selling the scout position to put some money back in the bank and to see if we can buy Tilray again. It's sold. It's sold. There we go. It's going back down again. There we go. I just made a 3% profit now. 3% profit. I've got the money back in cash. I've got, as you can see, $236 in my Roth. This is my trading account, and Virgin Galactic did exactly what I expected it to do. It popped up. I took a quick profit, not on my main account. My main account is here. I've still got my 765 shares. Going to keep those way into the flight. But the Roth IRA position, I've just sold and we made a 3% profit on it. We've now got the cash. We can now look at doing it again. And we can now look at Tilray as a position as well, as that's going down as well. Let's get to Tilray. Yeah, Tilray's going all the way back down. It's done 7% down now. So I've made more money by selling it to where I sold it and buying Rocket Labs. That was a good move. There's my Rocket Labs. That's trimmed back, but I'm still, in fact, I'm down 1.96. So now what I can do is, hang on a minute. I've got, I'm down 1.83 now. So I'm only down a small amount. Should I buy some more? on my Roth position. Let's have a look. Rocket Lab. I think 1.87. Rocket Lab. Yes, I think. What's likely to move the most today? Yes, it's Rocket Lab. RKLB. Be quick, be quick, be quick, be quick. Hang on, Rocket Lab. I'm going to use the money on Rocket Labs. Got enough in space. Space is doing all right. Is there anything in my Roth? Yes, there is. Rocket Lab. Okay, here we go. We're down 3% on it. Okay, trade. Buy a limit order. A limit order. I want to buy this. And we're going to set it at 645, 646. So it goes through. Yes. How many do I want to buy today? We want to buy. We've got 236. So do 100, no, 50, 40, 258, 40, 35, 226. That'll do. Okay, Rocket Lab. Okay. Placed. Come on. 646. See if we can buy that for 646. Oh, hang on. Did I do that wrong? Oh, damn it. I did the wrong price. Ah, damn it. I made a mistake. Cancel order. It's 640. So it means 666. Damn it. Damn it. Okay, do that again. Trade. Buy. Limit order. Limit order. 668. 669. Market. Today. Continue. 35. Got it. Got it. 669. Okay, so now I've used the profit I made from Virgin Galactic to buy Rocket Lab because we anticipated that pop this morning. I've held my main position. I've just sold my Roth position. That's all I've done. Now, if we can do a scalp trade on this, here we go. I decided not to touch Tilray brands right now. Don't like it falling like this. This is exactly like we said it would, but I think it can still go lower. So I'm waiting to buy more with the profit I make from Rocket Labs. Okay. Now then, overall position. There's me in green. I'm beating the market just. That's good. Virgin Galactic, it's going back up again. My long-term position is good. I will find a scalp trade in a minute, but it's not there yet. Palantir. I will look at Palantir for a scalp trade in a minute. But first of all, we're focused on Rocket Lab. Let's make a few bucks on Rocket Lab on a small position, but let's see if we can do it. Trade that one, and then I can buy Tilray. Tilray still down 7%. We don't want it yet. Okay. Woo! This is exciting. We're making money all over the place. Okay. Very nice. Now then, Tilray, yep, still giving up. I think that change of business, the retail investor yesterday got excited. They all bought it. They thought, wow, okay, this is great. It's not great, not on paper. They didn't buy anything that great, in my opinion. The breweries they bought, remember, I'm from England and, relations in Scotland. We have breweries that are hundreds and hundreds of years old, and we claim those to be average breweries. The breweries that Simon said he bought and claimed they were the best breweries in this amazing history. One of them was 2017. It was like, well, it only started 5 minutes ago. The kegs haven't warmed up yet. What are you on about? Anyway, just saying, nothing against Tilray, but I think everyone got overexcited, bought too much. He went up crazy. I took 13%, bought Rocket Labs, bought Virgin Galactic. I've made money on both of those. So I still believe it can go right back down to 220 and I'll buy it again. Anyway, we shall see. We'll see if I'm right. So far, I was right because I've made the money on the other things anyway. So let's go back to Rocket Lab now. Right, I want a quick scalp trade. I want to make just a few bucks. If I can make lots of 10, 20 bucks trades today, if I can make 200 bucks today just on scalp trades, tax free, then that's my target. My target is always 200 bucks a day. If I can make 200 bucks every day, tax free in my pocket, I'm always going to do well, right? You can't really do nothing else. Right, let's have a look. Virgin Galactic, yep. I've held my long-term position. I got out of my scalp trade, held my long-term position. The Roth's gone back down again. We sold that. We made a profit, made 3% profit. Palantir, I do want to buy some more Palantir. I want to do it on a scalp trade because I've got plenty in my brokerage position. I've got 80 shares. I would like to get another 80 shares, but I don't want to buy it here. I want to buy it in my scalp position in my Roth IRA so I can trade it and make money from it, and then I can start to sell my brokerage position when it comes up. I'm trying to grow my scalp position, my Roth IRA, bigger than my main brokerage account. Right, here we go. We're at 1.29 Rocket Labs. Let's see if we can get. We want to get it up to about here. Where are we now? We want to get 678. Let me refresh that screen. It's not showing accurate. Let's do that again. Come on. There we go. Yeah. 730. We want to get around about the $7. Okay. Small position, but we'll keep building on it. To the right of the app, third biggest, Sensei. To the right of the app, he says. To the right of the app, the third biggest. Right, I'm looking at it. To the right of the app, the third biggest. Do you know what? Something wrong with my eyes. I can't see the X. The third biggest, he's going. Are you blind? I am blind, obviously. XRP. I'm looking at it. I can't see it. To the right of the app. We had this the other day. I looked at it and went, I can't see it. X. Can anyone see XRP on the bubbles? Apparently, it's to the right of the app, the third biggest. Oh my God. It's terrible, isn't it? Let's go to the left of the app, see if he's got it the wrong way around. I can't see it. It's like a little game, isn't it? Find Wally. Can anyone see XRP on that? XRD. Oh my God. There's something wrong with me. IMX. I can't see it. I give up. I've looked at every single one. I give up. Spent too much time looking at it. I'm going bonkers. Anyway, third biggest. The third biggest. How can you not see it? That's what he's saying. I don't see it. In a minute, I'm going to go, oh yeah, there it is, right in front of me. Oh, well, whatever. TNGX, Ian Jackson, good morning to you. It's on the left. Oh my God. Yes, I see. That I blame Sensei. He said the right. That's the flipping left. That's the left of the screen. Are you hang on a minute. Let me just see if it's the left for you. All right. Let's have a look. Is it the left for you? It's the left. It's the left for everyone. It's not the right for anybody. I can see it now. Oh, Sensei, it's your fault. I blame you. If you said the right, I would have seen it straight away. No question about it. I'd have seen it straight away. Right, Rocket Lab. Let's make some money. It's not enough yet. Not quite there yet. I'm in the blue. I'm in the red. The S&P is in the blue. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. My long-term position's good. Palantir, I want to buy this. So I want to buy Palantir down today. So what we want to do is we want to sell something. Plug. We're down on it. We're not touching that. Procter & Gamble, no. Rumble, Fun, FFIE, Rio, Bitcoin, no. Back to Robinhood. That's down. That's up, but I'm not going to do that. Walmart. Microsoft. Okay. Tilray still going down. Okay. Rocket Lab. Not there yet. Left, middle. It's next. Oh, MSK. I've been waiting for you. I've been calling out for you. So we had Mohammed Kahain on the show. I asked him, I said, Mohammed, MSK has a question for you. He wants to know, did you make 90 grand profit? This was Mo's response. I am not in profit yet. And I'm reading his words. So I quote, I am not in profit yet. To be in profit, Tilray needs to be at $7. After that, it's a profit. So the stock has moved 90,000. That's what he said yesterday. But today's quote, and I repeat, I'm not in profit yet. To be in profit, Tilray needs to be at $7. After that, it's profit. There you go. All right, so I found out for you. Is live on the show today. As you said yesterday, we aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Everything we say is verified and checked. And there you go. There is your answer. That is for MSK. Yeah, Sensei's laughing. You can bloody laugh. Sensei, mean write to the app. Write to the app. Oh my God. Write on the app. I don't care about the app. I'm looking at my screen, right? Not the app. It's on the app. Anyway, whatever. I think it's the streaming software shows your screen the opposite way around, so your left would be right. Don't tell me that. It's all the right way around. Otherwise, my words would be back to front, wouldn't they? Oh, don't you give me that. Right, Rocket Lab. Let's go back. IonQ. Rumble. APT is a crypto, LOL. I'm not getting involved in this argument. I don't want to be involved in it. I'm done with it now. We moved on. Anyway. Just down a bit. Virgin Galactic. We took our first scalp trade this morning and we made 3% profit on my Roth position. Remember, just my Roth position. My long-term position is still there. I'm out of my Roth position. I made 3% profit. Now we are holding the long-term position and we are down 5.58. PLTR, we do want to buy some more. It's down today at 11.83. So I want to buy it on my Roth so I can trade it. How do you spell app, Martin? App, APT, bot, app. How do you spell app, Martin? APT is a crypto. APT, bot. What are you on about? App is spelled ape. I know how to spell app. I'm really smart. I know how to spell app. You ready? I'm going to do it live on the show. A, P, P. You cheeky bugger. Right. Would you like to be on? Oh, yeah, we're going to end that poll now. Yes, we got a great response from that. So Friday, we're going to do our very first phone in. All right, let's see how well that works out. Friday. Yes, I knew Mohammed was quite some way off from being in profit. Good that he's clawed back some losses. Yes, indeed. We got it all we got it all sorted, right? Okay. Did I just hear a coffee come in? No, I didn't. I thought I did. I thought Leah was approaching. I hear stirring and I hear chingling, jangling cups and kettles and all sorts of stuff going on. So why every time we say APT, you say app? I don't know. APT. I'll make a conscious effort. I shall wake up in the middle of the night dreaming about it now. And Leah's going to go, oh no, not another nightmare to do with this show. We have enough of those as it is. Now you're going to wake up going, APT. Where's APT? Sensei says APT. Yeah, that's how it's going to be in a minute. I know how it's going to go. Don't you worry about that. Oh, hello. I saw the shadow before I heard the dink. How about that, babe? You had a shadow. It's called the Leah shadow. How about that? Leah has her own shadow. Right. Cup of coffee. Lovely job. Back in position. Where are we? Right. Good morning, all. I had a great ER trade with BLNK. Hey, all, check VRM, poor man's Kavana, down 26% today after being very hot last month. Oh, there you go. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. All right. Okay. Now then, we're going to end the show earlier today because I've got to prepare for the 24-hour stream tonight. Virgin Galactic, I just took a scalp trade on my Roth position. Nice mug. Nice mug. Oh, yeah. Shall we show it? There we go. Look. Sensei Crypto. Look at that. I prefer this side. I prefer that side. I think my side's the best. I think we should have a vote. Which side of my mug's the best? Investment, stock market, and trading. Nicola, I am very happy to do Nicola for my members. if you will remember, I would make a video on some new stocks. Today, there's four things. There's a lot of things today to tell you about. We're going to end the show in the next few minutes because I've got a lot of work to do today to prepare for Virgin Galactic's flight tonight. So I'm going to tell you these things once and no more. Are you ready? Are you paying attention? Is everyone paying attention? In fact, I need to make sure I've got some very important announcements to make, which I'm going to make if you pay attention, right? So to check you're paying attention, we're going to get the music going, right? First, number one. We've just done our first scalp trade this morning. We've made some money. We took our profits. We bought Rocket Lab. We bought Virgin Galactic. We made some profit on the scalp position. We sold our Tilray yesterday. Right thing to do. Took a 13% profit. I told everybody this is very concerning to me. Changing direction the way they did like this. Retail investors got all excited, started buying it, going up and up and up. It's been overbought. I sold it. I didn't just use the money and take it down the pub and buy beer. I bought and I made profit from the things I bought. So I'm actually up on the deal. If I'd stayed in, I would have made less. Anyway, it's up to you what you do. That's what I've done with my money. Okay, so I've got some announcements to make. Announcements, right? It's announcement time. Okay, portfolio looking good. We're beating the market. We've done our scalp trades. PLTR, I wanted to buy that dip, but I was unable to. Didn't have it. I didn't want to sell my Robinhood to do it. I could have done that. I've got plenty of cash in 18% up. I could have done that, but I didn't want to do that. IonQ, Rumble, Rocket Lab. We're just going to do a quick scalp trade there and get some more money again. Plug, it's going up. Right, I'm getting sidetracked. I'm not focusing. Here we go. So before I give you the big news and all the important information, everyone's got to like the video. Everyone. This time, because I want to know you're paying attention, right? We've got 85 watching. I'm about to give you big information, Virgin Galactic information, Rocket Lab information, how to win $200 information, right? 85 watching, 37 likes. What should we get? 50? It's got to be 50, isn't it? It's got to be 50. If you like the show and you want to see more of this content, smash the like button. If you don't like it, tap the down like button. I'm the only YouTuber who says hit the down like button. I don't care because we're not trying to gain subscribers. We're trying to build a family, the best, most engaged channel on YouTube, the most honest, the most real. So if you want to hear more from me, tap the like button. If you don't, tap the down like button and you will hear nothing from me ever again. YouTube will go, okay, we won't show you any more videos. We'll show you this bloke instead. All right. So sort that out. 43. I'm going to tell you all the news that we've got 83 watching. Now, in case everyone's thinking, I bet everyone's down liking the video. They're not. They're not. And I'll prove it to you. Look at this. I'll show you this. Look. This is my analytics. It's most people are blooming lazy. They don't do anything. If I show you the video today, the analytics of today's show, I'll tell you. YouTubers don't do this. They don't show you stuff like this. I do. Where is it? There you go. Right. This is today's show. Right? Okay. This is today's show. Let me share with you. No one shows you this. I show you this. This is the live show. And you can see it's live. Look, this is the live show. So I'm not lying. This is the live show. And as you can see, 97% of the people, 97% have liked it, right? So it's not that people are down liking it. They're just too blooming lazy. They're just too lazy, right? So anyway, I showed you the truth there. I always tell you the truth, right? So when we've got 80 people watching and you're thinking, he asked people to downlike the video. I bet 40 people have downliked it. They ain't. Everyone loves it. Everyone loves it. What can I say? Everyone loves this show, don't they? Everyone loves this show. Every single person. No, there's like one person probably downliked it, right? That's it. The rest of you just sat there going, I can't be bothered. How hard is it to do that? All right, I give up. If you don't want to like the video, I ain't bothered. Right, I'm going to give you the news anyway. I'm going to give you the news anyway, right? Even if you couldn't be bothered, I'm still going to give it to you. Because if you don't want it, you just turn it off, right? It don't matter to me. So here we go. Here's the information that you want, okay? Let me go back to this stock a minute. Virgin Galactic. First of all, at midnight tonight, we will go live with the Virgin Galactic flight. So the countdown above my head, 14 hours, 58 minutes and 43 seconds. That's counting down to midnight. We're going to be live at midnight. I actually will go live 2 hours early because I want to surprise a few people, all right? Because for those of you that come early, for those of you that get involved, there's always special perks, always, all right? We're going to be live throughout the day with Virgin Galactic. Now, last time we had 23,000 people. 23,000. We want to beat it this time, and we're going to beat it because we've got live phone-ins, we've got all the trading positions, the ins and the outs of it. We've got Twitter coming in from Virgin Galactic. We've got the live flight, the telemetry, the radar, all of that stuff. We've got the news as it happens, plus 24-hour trading on Robinhood throughout the night. You can all chat. I want everyone to open up their devices, plug them in because you're going to need some power. Keep it running throughout the night, and let's get 23,000 people in the show by the morning. But at the same time as that happens, we're releasing our $200 cash giveaway. And during the stream, overnight, for those of you that are bothered to check out the 24-hour stream, for those of you that make the effort, there's going to be extra tickets that you can win to win $200 in cash. It starts tonight, right? It's free to enter, free for all. You don't have to be a member. You don't even have to like the show. I don't care. We're still giving it away, right? Because we like doing it. It's sponsored by Sensei Crypto. All the information is there, all right? So how do you get to the giveaway? Here is the $200 giveaway. This website goes live tonight at midnight. And for those of you that are very keen and want to win and want to get the edge, because remember, the more tickets you get, the more chance. We're going to go live on the stream. That's unofficial. Just told you about that, right? So there you go. There is the cash giveaway. I'll give it you again, just so you can see it. You got it? There's the website. Here is the launch. It's pinned in the chat. It's also here in the chat again. This is the launch tonight at midnight, which is going to go early. How early, you find out, right? It gives everyone the chance to get involved. Here it is. There it is. There it is. We've got 10 likes already, and we've actually got one person waiting for the stream to start. He's thinking, I'm going to be the first, and I'm going to get all those free tickets for being the first one here. That's what they're saying. All right, leave a comment, get involved. Mike's here, look. All right, so get ready for that. So that's that. That's how you can win $200. That's how you can join our historic night. 23,000 last time. Let's beat it tonight. It's going to be amazing, right? Virgin Galactic, they put on their Twitter account, they're giving away a free t-shirt. I'm giving away at $200. You can buy 10 t-shirts. My prize is better, right? I make more money than Virgin Galactic. All right, so you got all that information. And lastly, no, there's two more things. One, here is Plug. Plug, we're doing after hours tonight. Oh, yeah. We're doing after hours tonight. Is the after hours for Plug. We're covering it. It's requested by one of our members, Henrik from Denmark. So we're covering plug on to tonight's show. And last of all, we had a vote today. We had a vote. And the vote was, should we do a regular phone-in show, video call-in show? And I think at least 10 of you said, yes, you're up for it. So Friday will be the first one. On Friday at 9 a.m. Central, which is this time right now, 5 minutes ago, right now, this time on Friday, wherever you are in the world right now, this time right now, 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern, and what's that, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, I count my fingers, 3 o'clock in the afternoon in the UK. At this time, we will do a live phone-in, a weekly phone-in. We're going to test it this week. If it's successful, we'll continue. If it's rubbish, we'll throw it in the bin. And you can share your views on the week's trades, what you've bought. You can share your screens. You can just be on camera. But you have to be on camera. It's not for people just phoning in. It is a video phone-in. And it will happen on Friday at this time. It's members only because we want all verified people. We don't want... we've got like 190 members from around the world. So we've got plenty of people. If you want to be a member, you can. We need to upgrade you onto Discord manually. So you need to get in on to become a member and get onto Discord before. Here's the membership. And you can phone in, talk about your shares for the week, what's up, what's down, what you like, what you don't like, and where you see the markets going next week. It's a live panel discussion. We can all talk about it and share opinions. There's the member link if you want to become a member. And here is Discord. It will be in the Discord broadcast lounge at the bottom left-hand corner of the Discord channel. Okay? We're doing it that way so we don't get scammers, bots, and idiots coming in, right? Here is the Discord. And right at the bottom, there is the broadcast lounge right there. And you will be in here. Right? You will be in here. Fair enough? Easy? Got it? Right. There's all the information. Now, we've got lots of new things we're adding to the show coming up this year. Since we had 10,000 subscribers and we're getting bigger, this is one of the things that we're going to try out. We're going to see how it works. We're also going to do featured stocks. We're also going to do new stocks we're going to cover. There's going to be videos coming out today as a test pilot on brand new stocks you've never heard me do before. And what I'm asking is the stocks that you like, the things that you're interested in, you comment below the video and say, yeah, I'd like more of this. So we're going to look at some small caps, some emerging stocks, opportunities to make money in new ideas, new businesses. So after this video, this is why I'm going to end now. There's a load of videos coming out, short videos and main videos, but quite short, featuring a load of new stock and companies you have never heard before. And I'd like your comments below what you think of them, whether we should cover them or not. And the ones that do well, get the most comments, likes, engagement, we will start adding them to my portfolio, bringing them into the show. So you can have your favorite stocks or crypto or whatever it might be featured in the show. Mark Korn, did you get my message last night, Martin? Just wanted to make sure, as that's where I've not been ignoring the show. Mark, absolutely, yes, I did get your message. I didn't get a chance to reply to it yet. I get quite a few messages. I read them. I read all my messages as they come in. I don't always manage to reply straight away. I try and do it at the weekend on Facebook. But thank you for your message. Very, very nice of you. And by the way, I do understand how much work you put into writing your books. Absolutely. I understand. You said you injured yourself not sleeping and up all night. I understand that, Mark, because myself, I commit so much time and effort to what I'm doing, and I totally get it with the commitment that you put in. So it doesn't, books don't get written by themselves. You don't end up putting stuff on Amazon in 5 minutes. It takes a lot of work, and I know that you're putting a lot of work into that. So there you go. Congratulations to you. Good morning, Martin. Do you think Virgin Galactic will go up before the flight? We covered that earlier in the show, Kevin. Hey, Martin, how are you? I bought some domains yesterday, sensecrypto.co.uk and Sensei along with the main one. I now own sensecrypto.com. You got that. Very, very good. Very good. Little tip here for everybody. If you are setting up a business, it's worth buying the domains in your field because others will do copycat accounts if you get successful. So you might think, well, you've got sensecrypto.com, buy.co.uk, buy.info.org because others can do it and set up scam accounts. I am watching in South Korea. Jin Hee Jung, we don't have a member yet, I don't think, in Korea. These are all our countries. No, we don't. We have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea. We do have South Korea, Ecuador, France, and Russia. There we go. Welcome, South Korea. Okay. That's it. I've got to get off and do this, all these things this afternoon for the flight tonight. So you've got all the information. You know about the flight tonight. You know about the videos going to come out about the new stocks. You know all about that. And you know about the giveaway, everything. You're all armed. You're prepared. You're making money, right? Everyone's good. Everyone's going to join with Friday, special on Friday for the phone-in, right? Good stuff. Okay, I think we're done. Let's do a quick roundup. Do Day Trader of the Day. We're going to members only right now for the Day Trader of the Day. Let me thank all our guests over there on Rumble for joining us this morning. 325 followers now, growing very nicely on Rumble. Thank you. Twitter. We are now 936 followers, nearly 1,000. Very exciting. I'm very excited about that. Any comments I need to answer? No, we've got a new tweet from Virgin Galactic tomorrow. Yeah. They're going live at 10 a.m. I'm live a little bit before you, mate. About 12 hours before you, and I'll be live throughout the night. So don't worry about that. Let me do it. We will be live from midnight tonight. Last time we had 23,000 investors join us. This time we are giving away a $200 cash prize. Join us for an historic day. Okay, and let me give them, I better give them the link to the, this is what I'm doing. I'm replying back to Virgin Galactic, right? And I'm going to give them the stream. Plug. Here we go. There it is. There you go. And there it is. Popped in there. Where else are you going to watch the show? Absolutely, eh? There you go. Brilliant. Back to my main profile. Okay. Today, Virgin is going up or down. Today, Virgin going up or down. Well, it doesn't matter to me whether it goes up or down, Alajo. I just sold my Roth IRA for a 3% profit. Constantly making money. My main position I'm holding. I think we'll get some kind of rally during the flight. It's a long-term position though, but remember, we can take profits along the way if we do it right on our scalp trades in our Roth IRA. It's a long-term position though. We are not going to get the prices we thought we were. Originally, I was talking about $100. It just doesn't have the excitement like it used to. However, I do want to be involved in this space, but I like making money as well. So we're taking profits along the way, bearing in mind, at some point, when the dilution is done and the Delta Force come online, it will start ramping up. Its margins will be improved. Its expenses will start coming down. And that is the point when it will start going up. But of course, you need to be in before that. That's a couple of years away. So we need to be in, making profits, start acquiring and building a position with profits that we've made. So in other words, you've got free shares. You've made money and it's free. So basically, you've got to trade it to make money, to own it for free. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to get 4,000 shares and I want it to be basically money that I've made for free, and then I can afford it to go to zero. Don't want it to go to zero, but I can afford it to go to zero because I've made money from it. I think today we'll get some sort of rally. I think from midnight tonight, people will start joining in our stream. And remember, the 24-hour trading on Robinhood, not with Virgin Galactic, but we can see what the markets are doing. And that's important. If the markets, if the SPY is dropping throughout the night, if Tesla is dropping throughout the night, they're all on 24-hour streams. If they start moving, that will have some effect with the stock tomorrow morning. Absolutely. So we want to watch that. And we want to be ready to take some profits, to trim off the top and start adding again lower. If it goes back down, that's what we want to do. Anyway, Rocket Labs is going back down. Yeah, I just made a small profit on Robinhood. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Earlier, I sold my Roth position on Rocket Labs last night, made a profit of 3%. I bought it back again this morning. We're doing it again. But right now we're down. So we've just, we're doing that right now. Anyway, I think I'm done. I need to get off now. I've got to get these videos done. I've given you all the information that you need today. Tilray doing exactly what we thought it would. Right, that's it. I think we're done. Brilliant. Let's have a quick look and see how many subscribers we've got now, because many of you have been excited about. We got over 10,000. With 10,000. Oh. 10,078 now. Isn't that brilliant? Absolutely great. Now, what's really exciting was I told you when we hit 10,000 subscribers, it wasn't for me getting 10,000. It was for the fact that we could do fundraisers, and we can. It's now been approved on my account. So I can set up a video or a live stream where the super chats will go to a registered charity. And what's wonderful about it is not only does it go to a registered charity, YouTube take no fees at all out of that. No credit card fees, no processing fees, none. Absolutely brilliant. That was my target to get to 10,000 subscribers so we could help people and do a better job. We've always raised money, but now we can do it even better. So I'm excited about that. So that's what we've achieved. So thank you for all of you who took part in that. Thanks to all of you who watched the celebration video, which was on my channel. If you didn't see it, look below and you'll see all the videos, and you will see the moment we went through 10,000 subscribers. If you've not yet watched it, there was the live moment. It happened. It happened live on the show. Here it is. There it is. The studio went crazy. Smoke, lights, bit of Robbie Williams. That's where it happened. If you want to go and check that out, that's on the homepage of the channel on under the video section. All right? Okay. Now, the next target I have is 100,000 subscribers, and I'm excited about 100,000 subscribers for myself and you. And the reason for that is at 100,000 subscribers, we get the silver play button, and I will be so proud to hold up a silver play button from YouTube. And in case you know or don't know, only 225,000, about a quarter of a million channels in the world have a silver play button. So it's not like there are millions and millions and millions. It's 225,000, which is not a lot when you think. I asked Alexia the other day. I said, how many YouTube channels in the world? And I think it said 23 million. I can't remember if it was 23, 24, 27, whatever. It was 20-something million. So the fact that only a quarter of a million have the silver play button, and remember, a lot of those are like big companies like the BBC, Sky News, I mean, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, you know, they all have businesses, they all have those. So there's not that many regular folks like me who have it. So I'm excited to have it. I think we're on target for about 2 years. But it might accelerate. You never know, especially if we get 23,000 tonight in the show. You never know. Anyway, congratulations, Jin Hee Jung. Thank you so much indeed. Right, I'm going to get off. Thank you for joining me today. Virgin Galactic, we took a scalp trade position this morning, made some money, and we're looking to take some more profits and buy some more dips today on my Roth IRA. That's where I scalp trade. Thanks for joining me. Let's go day trader of the day. Let's move over to members only. Here we go. Members only in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're members only right now. Go to your main position. And remember, come up to date on the show. Come up to date. What you have to do, click the live button. Turn it from grey to red. You're now 30 seconds behind. If you click the cogs just there and go double speed, you are now just 10 seconds behind the stream. All right, you can hear that. Come up to date on the show. Come up to date. What you have to do, click the... All right, now you're 10 seconds behind the stream. So when we do competitions and giveaways and stuff like that, you are in. Right, here we go. I am up. Sorry, I'm down 0.48. Studio needs to be red. We are down today. We are down 0.48%. We'll put a minute on the clock. And when everyone starts posting, we shall put a minute up on the clock. You ready? Here we go. Down 0.84. Down 0.48. I'm in the lead at the moment. Let's see how we do. Niels is down 0.98. Down 1.72. Zach's 8. Any more for any more? Time's running out. It looks like I'm the winner so far. We've only got 4 votes, so it's not that many. But I am down 0.48. Am I the winner? I'm going to give you just a couple more seconds. I think some of you have not fast forward the stream and so on and so forth. Down 4.75, said Ian Jackson. Yep, looks like I'm the winner. So thank myself for my honest trade. You're very welcome, Martin. No problem at all. Give myself a thumbs up. You're very welcome, Martin. Give myself a round of applause. There you go. Great stuff. I win. Now, I'm sure there's somebody else that hasn't posted yet. There's always somebody who beats me. But anyway, I'm very happy with that. I beat 5 of you. 4 of you. I'm okay with that. Anyway, Good stuff. Time to go. I'll see you all back in a bit. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's roll the credits. Let's see if we've got anything to celebrate. We've always got something to celebrate, right? Just the fact we're in alive is a good thing. Studios red, we got a new subscriber, Fiona Chan, and Super Chat, Usagi Mitsu. Usagi sent me a wonderful tip from I think it was Taiwan, actually. I think it was. I never found out what it was, but absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much indeed. I bought more STKH at 134, my most position. Congratulations, Zach Zay. I wish you the very best. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all back in a short while. Bloody marvellous. Thank you very much. Look out for everything that's going to go on today. Make sure that you get ready for the live phone-in on Friday. 10 of you apparently are going to be in on it on Friday. I look forward to that. I'm going to close the broadcast lounge now because no one's there. Let me shut it down. All right, let me mute that. All right, we're all good there. Excellent stuff. Niels has just popped into Discord. Niels doesn't have a... Hang on a minute. Hold the fort. Hold the fort. Niels. Hang on a minute, Niels. You've just come into Discord. You're supposed to tell me. You're supposed to tell me. Hold the fort. Niels, are you still here? Niels, let me just check. Niels is still here. Yes, he is. Niels. Right. I know it sounds obvious, but Niels, I need you to confirm, is this you on Discord? I'm going to wait. We was going to end the show, but we got a member here who's just come into Discord. Niels, is this you? I need you to confirm in the YouTube chat, yes, that is you. Okay. First thing I do is give you the same name so everyone knows it's you, and you have the same name, which is great, so we know it's you. The next thing I do, Niels, is click on your name. I will give you a role of YouTube member. See that? That means you can now see all the private channels. You can also see the Discord broadcast lounge, which is on the left, right at the bottom. When I open this up, this is how you can call in, share your screen, be on the show, right? That's you there. I also, just so you know, I only friend my members, add a friend. I never send you a message. Now, Niels, you will get people contact you pretending to be me. You know they're not me. 2 reasons. 1, I never send you a message. I only reply to you. So, right? So I never send you a message. 2, I'm in gold because I'm the owner. 3, if you right-click me, if you right-click at my name, I have the role of owner. They have nothing. Profile. If you look at my profile, guess what, Niels? I spell my name correctly. And I'm the only person on Discord, not just my server, every Discord server, that has the username Martyn Lucas spelt correctly. All right? So you know all about that. There you go. So I've got you in. You've been done. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed for doing that, Niels. Welcome to the family. That came right at the end of the show, just when I was about to say goodbye, but that's fine. I'm very glad that we've got him in. It's been important to take care of our members. I'll see you back in a bit. Until then, as always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves, and as always, take care of each other.